It really does look like a gemstone.
Forget the daggy decorative soaps. I'm going to show you how to make some that look like gemstones.
What you will need.
First step with this
Is chopping up your soap base into small chunks.
chuck it in the microwave until it's melted, normally between about 30 to 45 seconds. Next up is pouring it into the mould. This silicone ice cube tray is perfect for the job.
We divide it into the trays. Now it's time to stir in the colour. If you don't have a soap dye, food colour is perfect as well. And you only need a tiny drop into each. With a skewer, swirl around the colour, but it doesn't need to be completely mixed in, because that's what's going to give you that really lovely gemstone gradient.
Pop out the colours and then we can start cutting them into chunks. I've got my recycled bottle and I've chopped off the top, and now I'm going to start layering in the colours.
So I'm going to group colours together that are similar.
And that way I'm going to get that beautiful gradient.
I've got a biodegradable glitter to give you a bit of sparkle and depth throughout. Now give it a little push down and time to heat up some more clear soap
That we can drizzle over the top to melt it all together. At this step is where you can add your favourite fragrance.
pouring over the top, which is going to melt them all together. Just with a pair of scissors, chop down the side of the bottle, cut away the plastic.
Now the fun part is shaping our stone.
So with a knife, very carefully cut into the soap, flattening off all of these edges, cut away to reveal those beautiful colours.
So there you have it, a gemstone soap. I guarantee you it'll impress anyone who enters your bathroom.